Check this one out, 2021 Honda Accord right here. Show you guys the front lip right now real quick because you guys are waiting on a fitment and stuff like that. So the car behind me. And then here it is. So this is the front lip. I mean, this is the one I currently have on right now. And since he likes it popping out more, so this is what he got. As you can see, the same lip is installed on there, same way. The only thing is that it kind of pops out a little bit, which he's cool with that. So that's how it would look if you guys get this front lip and install it for yourself on a 2021. See that? That's how it would look. We'll get you a different shot. There you have it. And he's got the strut bars right there. So if you guys really like him, I'll put the link in the description below for those as well. The Jdm Emblem fits perfect. This is smoked chrome, guys. So usually on a 2021, if you get a 2.0 touring, the grill is gonna be like, it's gonna be chrome. This is gonna be chrome. But the other models under that, they are smoked. So this is the big difference about those. I like that. But I wish Honda actually gets rid of all that chrome, like for good. Nobody wants them. Maybe one person wants them out of like every 100. So same wheels from the 18 to 20s models. Then he's got the mirror caps right here, gloss black. Yeah, I know if you guys can see that side skirt. Yes, it did break. Somebody ran into him right there on the side, like, you know, hit him on the side. But good thing that they didn't hit the door or anything like that, you know. But yeah, as far as the tints go, the front is 35. See, it's 35. And the front also, this side is also 35. And you can see a little bit in there. So as you can see, if I get closer, you can see a little bit. And this is 5%. You can't see anything in there. That's it. It's over. And this is also 5% in the back as well. And yeah, this is gloss black on the roof. You know, the fin on top, the antenna, gloss black. This is gloss black as well. A small spoiler. I know you guys seen those wheels right there. Don't worry, I'm gonna get a video of that as well and see the whole setup and everything like that. So that's coming soon. All right, guys, make sure you guys drop a like and stay tuned and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Yeah, that's the Jdm Emblem right there. Is looking great. Make sure you guys follow him on IG and DM him if you got any questions. I'll put his IG in the description below. These are V1s right here, smoked V1s that look really great. Then he's got the reflector lights right here, and then also the side diffusers, and then you got the Akasaka diffuser in the back. And you guys already know how to install this one. This is pretty simple. You know, I showed you guys before as well. You just take out this you know, the strip, this from the stock one, and just install this over. It's like clips. It goes into clips, and underneath it it goes in the bottom all the way, and then you would put in that small clip right there to lock it in. See that? That's how it looks from the bottom. But yeah, I actually like this diffuser. I don't know what you guys think. Comment below and let me know if I should get it. I'm on the urge of getting it soon. He's revving over there. But this video is specific for 2021 right here, so let me stick to that. And yeah, this is awesome. Let me see that. Then you got the keyless entry right there, and the same locks. See, that's what I don't like. You gotta get your own locks, guys. See if you want to protect your wheels. Yeah, that's a no-go. That's the wheel setup, and it just dropped. Yeah, it's dropped right here. So see that? It's closed the gap pretty much. The same thing in the back. You dropped it on springs?
Yeah.
Which ones?
Tian.
It dropped on Tian springs. So That's how it looks right here. This is perfect. You mind showing the V1s, bro? The taillights?
Yeah. I don't think it's gonna show because.
Yeah, I mean, some light would be good. So people see. Oh, they don't turn on, right?
These right here.
You got the reflectors?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's the full reflectors. I like these. Yeah, it's smoked down. It's very sunny out, so you don't really see them that much. But that's how the V1s look. This is great.
I think if I turn my lights on, I'll do it.
Yeah. So there you go. Yeah, I see it. I got it now. That's how the V1s look like. If you want to get them, grab them.
If you lock them.
Yeah. Slip. Nice. What's the interior? What's the difference inside?
It's all leather inside. Heated seats.
Let me check out this side. Yeah, come here. So in the back, it's all leather. Nice. The stitching is great. And the front.
You want to see? It does a little like dance in the back.
Where?
It's like, animation.
Oh, the
Oh, the
animation.
door's open. Yeah, the animation is on a little different.
Oh yeah, the door's open. All right, 1 second. Show you guys animation real quick. There you go. Nice. On the front, you got the heated seats. Keyless entry on the passenger side as well. See that? This is nice. So far, it's looking great. Stock for now, just got it. And then, yep. Let me see where's heated seats. Yeah, this is nice. It's right here. This is heated seats. 3 different modes. Yeah, the interior, same stuff as the previous one. Same light, so you guys can swap that. On the last fit.
Apple CarPlay thing.
Oh yeah. Oh nice.
Box.
Is it the wireless one?
Yeah, it's wireless.
This is something different, right?
No, you just plug it in. It's wireless.
Okay.
Yeah, it takes a couple seconds. Though.
But this is different, right? What is this module?
This it's called
CarPlay 2, yeah, right?
Yeah.
Got you. Nice.
Only it takes a little longer than usual, but it
Yeah.
connects pretty well.
That's cool. So there you go. It's wireless CarPlay right there. Nice. His phone's with him. That's it, guys. Drop a like and make sure you guys follow him. DM him if you got any questions. Make sure you guys subscribe. Next video is coming out soon. That's it. Peace out.